guys, relax. It's another beautiful day on Good Mind Aroma. It's another beautiful day on Cereal Gold that is sponsored by Good Mind Aroma, guys. You know, as it is with our style, you know, where you always your food come exciting. Last video so that you can know today step by step. I'm showing you different ways. Just like a continuation now of how to make it exciting. So therefore today I'm going to do the fish. You know, I've already mixed it with the coconut milk, with everything, you know. So I'm going to do the fish. I'm going to glaze it with fish or corned beef. If you don't do fish, you can actually do any of the proteins, you know, right? So this one is with fish and egg, and this other one is with corned beef and egg. So guys, let's roll. Alright guys, let me roll my Moi Moi Roll. Guys, what do you think? Ta-da! 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 Yes, guys, we'll always put all the details in the description for your views, so that at least you can go ahead and try this and tell me how good it is. Guys, thank you. Till we'll see you in another video. Thank you very much.